Hello everyone, it's great to see you. I'm Bella, and thank you for tuning in to our relationship rescue program. Women are just as likely as men to betray others, and betrayal is not limited to men alone. However, it's important to remember that betrayal goes both ways. Everyone desires to lead a unique life and express themselves, but this can cause them to compromise their morals, lose self-control, and even succumb to temptation and betrayal. Increasingly, people are rejecting the notion of marriage and morality and choosing to live for themselves, and this trend is on the rise. Men cheat on their wives for a variety of reasons, such as feeling lonely or yearning for new experiences. They often have to consider many factors when choosing an extramarital affair partner, including the qualities they find attractive. So what kind of women do men prefer? Men are fundamentally sensory creatures who are drawn to youth and beauty, so they typically prefer younger, more attractive partners. However, men often lack self-control, which is a significant factor in their infidelity. While it may be more prestigious to date a younger, more attractive partner, this status is often fleeting. Beauty does not necessarily equate to a lasting relationship. In fact, men often admire women who are not conventionally attractive but who possess ambition and have achieved professional success. Men are often put off by women who constantly talk about money. Wealthy men do not like women who are only interested in their money and fail to appreciate their charm. Poor men also dislike these women because they believe that they are too concerned with money, which can lead to financial instability. Although true love is not solely based on money, if a man is unwilling to spend money on his partner, it is not a true expression of love. When a man cheats, women often choose to believe in their man and are unwilling to give up on their relationship for the sake of love or security. However, certain actions need to be taken to truly solve the problem of infidelity. Firstly, women often trust their partner without punishment to get them back, but this will only make the man forget and repeat their mistakes. Therefore, psychological or material punishment needs to be implemented to teach the man a lesson. If the man is forgiven without punishment, it will only lead to further recklessness and make it difficult for the emotional wounds to heal. Even if the man returns to his wife, if healing does not take place, the problem will persist. Rebuilding trust, marriage, and daily management is necessary for a complete solution. If attitudes do not change and trust, marriage, and daily management are not rebuilt, problems between the couple will worsen. Therefore, infidelity not only hurts the family and wife, but also the man himself. Men should cherish their marriage, stay away from affairs, and ensure their own and family's happiness. We need to take action to solve problems in relationships and marriage, rather than just relying on verbal promises. Only then can the relationship be truly resolved and healed.